Hello, I'm Ron Roberson, asking you to save the date for the 42nd Annual Black History Parade and Unity Festival presented by the Orange County Heritage Council. It all takes place Saturday, February the 5th, 2022 in downtown Anaheim. The parade features more than 50 marching bands, unique vehicles, horseback riders, churches, sororities, and social groups.
This year's Unity Festival, we have amazing talents coming out to perform. We have Aloe Black, we have gospel sensation Brent Jones, as well as Maurice Griffin. Very excited about our virtual college fair. Our Unity Festival, we're going to be celebrating our arts, our children art contests, our winners, our live entertainment. My mother founded the Black History Parade in 1979. The first Black History Parade was in February 9, 1980, some 42 years ago. When she started the Black History Parade, her goal was to bring recognition to African Americans in Orange County and throughout the nation. The Black History Parade was in Santa Ana for 30 years, and after 30 years, we moved to the city of Anaheim. It was about growth. It was time to grow bigger. Being that Anaheim had the largest population for African Americans, we decided to take that route.
Greetings and salutations. It's me, R&B historian Tyrone Dubois, inviting you to the 42nd Annual Orange County Black History Parade right here in Anaheim. It includes our celebrity guest, which is Lauren LaRosso from TMZ, the famous newscaster. We also have Billy Blanks, the creator of Tybo, and Frida Gibbs, who is considered the most dangerous woman alive. Also, I'm really excited about our biggest celebrity guest. It's Kenny Lattimore, R&B music master that is going to be here as well. And what's more exciting about it is the fact that I did his television biography on TV One's Unsung.
The parade route starts at Anaheim Boulevard and Lincoln Avenue, marches south to Water Street, and returns to Anaheim City Hall. Now folks, this is an outdoor event with plenty of room for social distancing. If you can't practice social distancing, please wear your mask for extra protection.
Come, watch, celebrate.
Come out, be a part of history.
I look forward to seeing you and yours here at the 42nd Annual Black History Parade and Unity Festival, February the 5th in downtown Anaheim.